welcome back to Eva's Kitchen. Merry Christmas to you all and a Happy New Year in advance. Today we are going to be preparing a continental dish which is mac and cheese. Here are my ingredients for today. I have my macaroni, flour, mozzarella cheese which I'm going to be using 1.5 kg. I have my milk, salt, vegetable oil. I'm going to add a drop of vegetable oil. I'm going to pour in my macaroni. I'm going to leave it for 15 minutes. Now the macaroni is parboiled, I save it. I'm going to keep it aside. Now I pour in the flour into the milk. There's no lumps until it's melted. You stir until it has a thick texture. Then I pour in the macaroni. Presentation of my mac and cheese for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.